In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Fastlane AI. So it is a complete step-by-step Fastlane AI tutorial for beginners. So if you are a beginner and if you want to know how to use this platform in the right way, then watch this video till the end. And by the way, if you want to use Fastlane AI for free without giving your credit card details, then special affiliate link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. By using the link given in the video description, you can test Fastlane AI for free and also you can support this YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let's start this Fastlane AI tutorial. So when you will create your Fastlane AI free account using the link given in the video description, then it will show you a dashboard like this. Here you just need to enter your company logo, you need to enter your name and your company name. Okay, so let me enter my name here, Sumit Saw, and for now I'm not going to upload any logo here, and you can add your company name here. So I don't have any product that I want to promote with the help of Fastlane AI. So for demo purpose, I'm gonna promote this System IO platform with the help of Fastlane AI. So it is an all-in-one type of marketing platform. So let me copy this URL. Let me enter company name as System IO. Okay, so I want to promote System IO, so that's why I'm writing System IO here, and let me click on continue button, and here I need to enter the website URL here. So for demo purpose, I have entered System IO website URL here so that it can pull all the data from this page and understand what is System IO, and then it can create content to promote this platform. Okay, and suppose if you want to promote any product or your course or service or anything, and if you don't have any particular website where it has all the details, then what you can do, you can go to use description instead option, and you can explain like what is the product or service that you want to promote, who are the target audience, what problem your product solve, what are the key benefits of your product. You can enter your tone or positioning and things you want to avoid. Okay, and after that you can click on continue button. So for now I'm gonna use this website feature, and let's click on analyze website, and as you can see it has started analyzing this particular website and it will bring all the data, and it took hardly 5 to 6 seconds as you can see. And next it will ask you some onboarding question. You can select anything you want from here. So let me quickly select anything from here. How big is your current content team? Just me. What is your monthly revenue? Let's select 1000 to 10k plus dollar, and let's click on continue button. Select your role. Let's select freelancer or whatever, or let's select content creator for now, and let's click on continue. Business model, you can select B2B, B2C, both, whatever you want. So you can select anything from here. It is optional. You can just pick anything from here. Okay, let's click on continue. And next is I need marketing now, and let's select all of this from here, and let's click on continue button. Let's select any option from here and let's click on continue again, and let's click on continue button again. Okay, so it will show you some demo videos here, and you can click on continue dashboard button to come here. Okay, so as you can see I want to promote System IO product, so that's why in the dashboard it is showing the product name, that is System IO, and there are lots of options like home, blades, automation, AI studio, influencer, content, library, calendar. I'm gonna explain everything in this video, so watch this video till the end. So first let's go to blades mode. Here you will get content. It will generate endless content to promote your business on social media platform. Okay, so you don't need to do anything from here. Just you need to accept the idea, or you can reject this idea which it is suggesting. Okay, so as you can see it is suggesting this particular reel, founder to founder, what's something that took your business from its life to how it's scaling like that. I don't mean more tools and more tabs, I mean one move that had everything clicking. Mine is System IO, you're welcome. Okay, so in this way you can accept this content or you can reject it. If you don't want to use this particular content, then you can reject it like this. Next it will suggest you another content idea. Okay, like what launching your first course actually feel like versus what it should feel like with System IO. And as you can see it has created all these things for us, and it is literally looking good. So if you want to accept this content idea, then you can drag it right side. If you will drag it right side, then there is two options in front of you. You can save it to your library inside Fastlane AI, or you can directly schedule this post to all the social media platform like Instagram, TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So it is totally up to you. So for now I'm gonna save this to my library, and let's see what it is suggesting now. And you know what is the best part about Fastlane AI, that it is not just generating the random content for you. It is recreating the viral content from social media platform like Instagram and TikTok. So as you can see, it is showing the content in the left side has approximately 1 million view and 180,000 plus likes in this particular post. So as you can see, it has recreated this content to promote System.io platform, and it is literally very good when you are buried in manual work and System.io asks if you want to automate it. Okay, so as you can see, it is looking good. If you want to edit it, like you can change the meme if you want. If you want to change the background, then you can swap it from here. You can use any different background if you want, like this, or anything which you want. Okay, like this. And also it has mentioned the business System.io here. If you don't want to mention it, then you can select no from here, and if you want anything additional here, then you can write prompt here, and also you can swap image if you want, and there is also overlay option if you want to add it. Okay, and suppose if you want to increase or decrease the text size, then you can increase or decrease the text size from here. You can change the font from here, and you can customize everything from here. Okay, as you can see, so it is totally up to you. And also you can change the color from here. So let me select the yellow type color from here, so it is looking like this. So overall you can customize everything, as you can see, according to your requirement. Okay, so this one is also looking good. If I want to change the text background to white, something like this, so it is also looking good. And also you can fully customize everything which is showing in the screen right now. So after doing all these changes, just click on done editing. Okay, and suppose now it is looking good. So what you can do, you can save this content idea, or you can schedule it directly to Instagram, YouTube, TikTok in one click, and it will automatically post in all this platform. You don't have to do anything from your side. Okay, so this is a great thing. So for now I'm gonna save this to library, and now it is suggesting another content, and as you can see, it is suggesting endless content idea. And as you can see, this content is also very good if I want to promote System.io platform naturally in social media platform, so that more and more people will know about this platform. So as you can see, point of view, you find it is 7 tools for System.io, and everything just works, and it is looking very good in my opinion. And I want to mention one more thing. If you will click on this icon, then it will also play the sound. And also if you want to know why this content may work in social media platform, then you can click on why this content work, and it will describe why it may work on social media platform. Okay, so in this way it will generate endless content idea for you. You can skip it or you can accept it. You can save it to gallery. You can schedule it. It is totally up to you. So I hope now you understood what is this blades mode. So here you will get endless content idea. It will generate content for you. You just need to save it or schedule it or escape it. It is, and there is nothing else. Okay, next is automation. So suppose if you want to batch generate content and schedule it straight into your calendar, then you can do it from here. You can click on new automation and you can automate whatever you want from here. Next is AI Studio. Here you can generate UGC type of images and video to promote your business. Okay, so let's generate a UGC image to promote a water bottle. So this is the water bottle, and I have written a prompt so that it can create a female AI influencer holding the water bottle that I have uploaded. Okay, so let's click on generate button. It will cost 4 credit. So let's see what it will generate. As you can see, it will take hardly 30 to 60 seconds to generate this image. Okay, so it is same as Arcade's platform. If you ever used Arcade platform or any other platform like this, then you know you can create UGC type of images and videos with the help of this platform. So you can do it also with the help of Fastlane AI platform, but it is not as professional as Higgsfield and all this platform, but it can do the job. So we will check the generated image later in this video. First let's discuss about how to create AI influencer to promote your business. Suppose if you want a constant AI character that will promote your business on social media platform, then you can generate AI influencer, and it will take only 3 simple steps. You just need to create an AI influencer with the help of the prompt. Then we can use that image to generate our future images and videos to promote our product. Next is configure connections and content set. So we need to link our social media account, set content angle, and curate slideshow and video sets. This feed directly into Blitz for daily content. Okay, I hope you got it. So here is the influencer tab, and here we will generate our first AI influencer. So let's see AI Studio has generated this image or not. So it is still generating. So let's go to influencer tab and let's click on new influencer. So let's give a name to our AI influencer, Nia. and let's select the gender female, and age, let's select 30-year-old, and let's click on next button. So as you can see, it is generating the base character now. So as you can see, it is generating our AI influencer, and it will cost 4 credit. And suppose if we don't like the AI influencer that it has generated, then what we can do, we can regenerate by adding additional information here, like what we want, what we don't want in this AI influencer, and it will generate this AI influencer for us. Okay. I wanna share one bug with you. Yesterday I created an UGC image using AI Studio, and I have created an influencer in front of you. But tomorrow after 20 to 25 hours, what it is showing that there is no image generated here, and also there is no influencer created here. So still there is some bug. I waited for approx 1 hour yesterday, and it was showing that they are still generating the image and they are still creating the AI influencer. Also in the case of AI influencer, it was showing that it will take longer time to generate my AI influencer. But even after 1 hour, image was not generated. So I shut down my computer and decided to record the second part next day when this will generate the AI image and AI influencer. And the funny part is this, that it is showing that no generation yet in the AI Studio, and in the case of AI influencer, it is still showing there is no AI influencer created. Okay, so there are some bugs in AI Studio and influencer. Okay, next is content section. Here you will get lots of template which you can use to generate content that you can post on social media platform. You can create slideshow type of content, you can create wall of text type of content like this, you can create video hook and demo, talking head UGC, green screen meme, talking head, green screen product spokesman, character swap, and also there is custom template which you can create. Okay, so for demo purpose, let's say I wanna use this green screen meme video type of content, so let's select it, and here as you can see, it is suggesting lots of content idea. I can use any of this content to generate content to promote my business. In this case, I have added System IO product as a demo product here that I want to promote with Fastlane AI. So as you can see, it is suggesting lots of meme type of content that I can use to promote my business. Okay, and if I want, suppose I want to use this particular one, then I can click on remix this button to remix it. I mean, I can recreate the same content to promote my business. Also, what you can do, you can directly go to mode section here, which is showing create new or remix section. Okay, if you will click on remix, then you can remix any of this content which are showing here, and if you want to create from scratch, then you can click on create new button. So if you want to recreate any of this content to promote your business, then you need to click on this remix option. If you want to mention your business in this content, then you can select yes, or you can select no. It is totally up to you. So I will select yes. Then next is trending video section. So here you will get all the templates which are showing here. Just click on select button, and here you will get all the template. Okay, you can use any of this template to promote your business. Okay, so there are lots of template. As you can see, there is another page. Let me show you. There are lots of templates. Okay, so let's say I want to recreate this particular meme, so I will select it, and here as you can see, this meme has selected, and now you can write a prompt if you want. Otherwise, you can simply click on generate button, and as you can see, it is generating the content which I can promote on social media platform. Okay, point of view, skipped system IO. So now you are manually emailing, onboarding, and tracking. So it is very good content, I can say, that can help me to promote system IO in a natural way, and it is totally editable. As you can see, I can drag it anywhere I want. If I want text here, then I can move it here, and also if I want to move this meme here, somewhere here, then I can also do it. I can increase or decrease the size, as you can see. So it is fully customizable, so you don't need to worry about anything. So if I will click on this text section, then I can change the text if I want. I can increase or decrease the font size, as you can see, and also I can change the color of the text. So let's select yellow type of color here, and if you want to change the background with something else, then you can do it like this. It is totally up to you. So this Snapchat type of background is looking good, so I'm gonna select this particular one, and after doing all the things, what you can do, you can directly save it to your library, or you can schedule it to social media platform directly from here. So for now, I'm gonna save it. Okay, as you can see, content saved successfully in library. Okay, next is library section. It will show you all the content which you have saved so far. So suppose if you want to check it, then you can click here and it will show you the content. And if you want to download it, then you can download it. If you want to schedule it, then you can click on schedule button and you can schedule it in Instagram, YouTube and TikTok platform directly from here. And suppose if you still want to edit this content, like you want to write something else, or you want to increase or decrease font size, or if you want to do any changes, then you can click on edit in studio and you can directly edit it again. Okay, if you want to further edit this particular content. Next is calendar tab. So suppose if you have generated, let's say 100 content, and if you have scheduled it for, let's say, next 3 months, then you can directly check in your calendar like which content is going live in which platform from here. Okay, next is brand section. So if you want to edit your brand detail, then you can do it from here. And also if you want to set tone of voice, like this type of tone of voice I wanna use, this type of tone of voice I wanna ignore. So whatever you want, you can describe it here, as you can see, and here you can do all the settings related to your branding. Okay. And suppose if you want to integrate Fastlane with Instagram, TikTok and other social media platform, then you need to go to setting and then you can go to integration tab, and from here you can connect your TikTok account, YouTube account and Instagram account. And suppose if you want weekly analytics to know which content is performing best in social media platform, then here you can directly enable it from here and you can track everything. So in this way you can use Fastlane AI to promote your business in social media platform by recreating the viral content from different social media platform. Okay, and it will generate endless content idea. You don't need to do anything from your side. You just need to explain your business detail to Fastlane AI and it will generate endless content idea that you can post in social media platform to promote your product, business, course, whatever it is, in a natural way. So I hope now you understood how to use Fastlane AI completely. If you still have any confusion regarding Fastlane AI, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found my Fastlane AI tutorial for beginners 2026 video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.